Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. First things first, don't forget right from the very beginning that the download link is conveniently provided in the comments below. Now let's dive right into the complete comprehensive step-by-step installation and configuration guide for the Bloomberg Terminal application. Before we begin, make sure your computer system meets all the necessary performance requirements so that everything runs smoothly and without any unexpected hiccups or installation errors. First, head over to the exact website shown clearly on the screen and look for the official download section. Then click directly on it to safely save the archive file to your computer. When the download process is fully complete, locate the downloaded file in your folder and open the Installer's Setup window to begin configuring the application. Read carefully through the license agreement, accept the terms, select your preferred installation directory path, and let the system check run smoothly in the background without any interruptions. Once you are ready, hit the Install button and wait patiently as the progress bar moves forward while the setup extracts all necessary application components and finalizes the system configuration files. Keep waiting through the entire extraction and setup sequence, allowing all processes to complete fully until the installation status shows as completely successful. Once the setup is fully finished, take a moment to review everything to ensure no errors occurred during the file copying process. After confirming that all components are correctly placed, close out the installer window, navigate directly to your desktop or applications menu, and launch your newly installed application to start exploring comprehensive real-time market data, detailed financial analytics, company insights, and professional stock tickers with absolute ease and maximum efficiency. Take your time to get familiar with the user interface, customize your layout panels to suit your professional workflow, and leverage all the advanced monitoring tools available at your fingertips. Enjoy using the program, make the most of its powerful features for your daily financial tracking, and see you all in the next video.